First things first, dust off that resume. Make sure it's up to date and tailored to highlight your skills and experiences relevant to the hospitality sector. Remember, your CV is your first impression, so make it count. Secondly, take advantage of online job portals. Websites like Indeed and Hosco are treasure troves of job listings in Dubai's hospitality sector. Spend some time each day browsing through these listings and applying to the ones that catch your eye. Next, go straight to the source. Check out the career sections of hospitality companies' websites. Many companies prefer to list their openings directly on their own sites. This could be your chance to get a foot in the door. Fourthly, consider registering with recruitment agencies that specialize in the hospitality sector. These agencies have insider knowledge and connections that can give you an edge in this competitive industry. Now, let's talk about networking. It's all about who you know, right? Use platforms like LinkedIn to connect with professionals already working in Dubai's hospitality industry. You never know who might be able to give you a lead on a job opening. If you're not a UAE resident, securing a work visa is a crucial step. While many employers sponsor work visas, it's important to understand the process to ensure a smooth transition. Finally, once you've applied, follow up with employers. A quick message to check in can show your enthusiasm and keep you at the top of their minds. To give you a head start, here are a few current openings. A front desk hospitality agent position at Sonda Inc., a hospitality recruitment associate role at Dubai Holding, and a receptionist hospitality executive job at Menas. Remember, each application should be tailored to the specific job and company. Show them why you're the perfect fit for that particular role. In summary, finding a hospitality job in Dubai involves updating your CV, using online job portals, checking company websites, registering with recruitment agencies, networking, understanding the work visa process, and following up with employers. It may seem like a lot, but with persistence and dedication, you're sure to land your dream job in Dubai's hospitality sector. Best of luck in your search.